Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Instagram from the account center. Now, open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android, works the exact same. We need to get to your settings. So at the very bottom right, you're going to tap on that little profile icon. And then you can see at the very top right are those three lines to get into your settings. So let's tap on those three lines. And you can see when we're in the settings at the very top is your account center, which houses everything under Meta, Instagram, and Facebook. So let's just tap on that to open it. And you can see all of your profiles, Instagram and Facebook. If you want to remove Instagram, we're going to go down to the very bottom and tap on account here. And now you can see Instagram. Just tap on remove. It will give you some options, but let's tap on remove at the very top. And now it says you'll lose access to these items. Let's just hit continue. And now when you're ready to go, just hit yes, finish removing, and you'll remove Instagram from that account center.